Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert launch content tracker table in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps. Then create your document or open your existing document. Now you can see here are my blank document. Now I insert launch content tracker table in this document. You have to go insert menu. Now you can see here are building blocks options. Now choose launch content tracker. Just press and click on it. Now you can see I insert this table. At first you have to select this table to drag on your mouse. Now move this table like this. You can also edit this table. Go to table option. You can see here are quick layouts option, table option, column options, row, cells, etc. You can see I insert launch content tracker table in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.